Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at some awesome new tech, but before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you never miss an update. Let's jump right into the video.
Make viral USA news videos using AI the right way. YouTube just terminated a wave of AI news channels this year. But the ones still standing follow one rule the others skipped. Here's the actual system that survives. Step 1. Start from a real, sourced story. Step 1. Start with a real story from a credible outlet, not an AI-generated premise. Fabricated or unverified news is exactly what's getting channels terminated right now. Step 2. Add your own angle or commentary. Step 2. Add real value on top, your analysis, context, or an angle other coverage missed. YouTube's current policy specifically protects this and specifically targets videos that are just AI narration over someone else's reporting. Step 3. Use AI for production, not for facts. Step 3. Use AI for the production layer, voiceover, visuals, editing. But never let AI invent quotes, statistics, or events. Fact-check every claim yourself before it goes in the script. Step 4. Disclose properly. Step 4. Always check the altered or synthetic content box. Disclosed AI content earns the same ad rates as anything else in your niche. It's non-disclosure that triggers strikes, not the AI itself. Step 5. Build a recognizable voice, not a template. Step 5. Develop a consistent perspective viewers recognize. The exact pattern behind every recent channel termination was scale without any real human judgment behind it. Full breakdown of a news automation workflow that actually stays monetized is on my channel. Follow so you don't build on a foundation that gets wiped out.